good morning. This is your mom friend and your parenting educator Divya. Welcome to Parenting Reset. I come here every day to answer your one question. आज का सवाल थोड़ा लंबा है, so be a little patient. But अगर आप बच्चा expect कर रहे हैं या आपके 2 बच्चे हैं, then this video is for you. Okay? So this question came under one of my video ka comments. Okay, this is from Pooja Sharma and she says, hello ma'am, my daughter is turning my daughter is turning 7 now. Her behavior is not like previous. अब वो मेरी बातें कम मानती है और अगर मैं उसको कुछ समझाने की कोशिश करती हूँ तो वो फॉलो नहीं करती है. मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता है. पहले मैं समझाने की कोशिश करती हूँ बट देन मैं चिल्ला पड़ती हूँ. बेसिकली बच्चा पहले बात मानता था, अब बात नहीं मानता है. ओके, अगर आपकी लाइफ में भी ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है दैट सडनली योर चाइल्ड इज नॉट लिसनिंग टू यू, सडनली देयर इज अ बिहेवियर चेंज, सडनली स्कूल से इश्यूज आ रहे हैं, सडनली फ्रेंडशिप्स में इशू आ रहे हैं, सडनली बच्चा चुप हो गया है, नो मैटर व्हाट एज ग्रुप, first thing I ask any parent is what has changed in last 2 to 3 months, and that's what I asked the mother as well. I said, thank you for writing. Can you tell me what has changed in the house in last few months? Okay, and then she wrote to me that like 6 months back she got a baby sister. So basically उसके घर में उसकी baby sister आई है 6 महीने बाद, 6 महीने पहले. अब हम सबको पता है कि जब नया बच्चा घर में आता है, चिल्ड्रन स्टार्टिंग में बहुत एक्साइटमेंट होती है, नया बच्चा है, नया बच्चा है. बट ट्रस्ट मी, बच्चों की वो एक्साइटमेंट बहुत जल्दी फेड भी हो जाती है, बिकॉज सडनली दे रियलाइज अरे वो बच्चे को ज्यादा अटेंशन मिल रही है. सडनली दे रियलाइज नाउ माई पेरेंट्स आर गिविंग मोर अटेंशन टू इट. मेरे को हर चीज के लिए रुकने को बोला जा रहा है, मुझे बोला जा रहा है समझो. Even as a parent, if you try to connect with your child, that child will always feel that difference. क्यों? Because 6 साल तो उसने आपको enjoy करा रहा है single handedly. She has always been your number one priority. उसको 100% attention मिल रही है. अगर अब उसकी attention 50-50% भी divide नहीं हो रही, तो चलो 70-30 तो divide हो रही है ना. So there is a change. So whenever you see a change in your child's life, okay, सडनली उसके स्कूल में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, सडनली वो पढ़ नहीं रहा है, बिहेवियर चेंज हो रहा है, स्कूल से कंप्लेंट्स आ रही है, फ्रेंड से कंप्लेंट्स आ रही है, चुप करके बैठ रहा है, देयर इज अ चेंज इन देम. फर्स्ट थिंग यू हैव टू आस्क इज व्हाट हैज चेंज्ड. ओके, चलो नाउ टू आंसर हर. शी सेज दैट आई स्पेंड टाइम विद हर. मैं उसको होमवर्क कराती हूँ, मैं उसको बाहर भी लेके जाती हूँ जैसे मैं पहले करती हूँ. ओके, very good. First of all, you're making an effort, which is very nice, that you're trying to connect with your elder one also, which is a great job. But आप ये भी मानो उसके लिए कि उसके लिए 2 चेंज एक साथ हो रहे हैं. एक, उसके घर में बेबी सिस्टर आए. दूसरा, शी इज गेटिंग इनटू द एज ग्रुप ऑफ 7 to 12 वाला, in which children anyway start changing their behavior, in the sense for them friends become more important. For them, they want to do things themselves. For them, they want to show their autonomy. They will fight, argue about a lot of things जो वो पहले नहीं करते थे. So yes, आपके घर में बच्चा आया, that can be one reason, but also your child is shifting into a new age group of children. So we call them pre-teens कि चलो ठीक है, we call them children in the sense 7 to 12 is an age where you will start seeing a huge change because they're school going children now. They're going to school now, right? स्कूल में कुछ हो रहा है, स्कूल में नई चीजें बन रही है, फ्रेंड्स हो रहे हैं, कोई बात कर रहा है, कोई बात नहीं कर रहा है, सडनली लॉन्गर आवर्स इज हैपनिंग इन स्कूल, देयर इज अ लॉट टू प्रोसेस. सो वो भी रीजन हो सकता है. सो I have this one simple philosophy. If your child is not listening to you and if it is becoming a habit and then you are fighting every day, देखो बच्चा कभी ना कभी तो नहीं सुनेगा, ये तो आप मान लो. तो मेरा रूल ये है, अगर 100% में से मेरे बच्चे ने मेरी 60 to 70% बात सुन ली है, मान ली है, एज अ मदर इट्स अ विन. I do not expect my son or a child to listen to me 100%. मैं रोबोट थोड़ी पाल रही हूँ जो मेरे हर डायरेक्शन को मानेगा, नहीं ना. तो if my child is listening to me 60 to 70% of the time, it's a win for me. लेकिन अगर वो सिर्फ 10-20% ऑफ द टाइम हो रहा है एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई हैव टू फाइट अबाउट एवरीथिंग, रोज झगड़े, एवरी डे इट्स अ टैंट्रम, एवरी डे माय चाइल्ड इज नॉट लिसनिंग टू मी, देन द फर्स्ट थिंग आई हैव टू लुक इज कनेक्शन. एंड सेकेंड थिंग आई हैव टू लुक इज दैट उसके स्कूल में तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, क्योंकि घर में देर इज अ चेंज फॉर माई चाइल्ड, स्कूल में भी हो सकता है देर इज सम चेंज दैट हैज हैपेंड विच आई एम नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. So the simple rule is, if the tantrums or the behavior of a child is increasing, which is a negative behavior, then look where the connection is decreasing. Now, connection does not mean that you're spending time with your child. I can take my child out for to play zone. I can take my child out to have an ice cream. I can take my child out to picnic, to resorts, to holidays. That is not connection time. That is not spending time. Connection happens when the child feels that you are understanding the child. अगर आप घर के बाहर दो चक्कर भी काट रहे हो ना बच्चे के साथ, बट यू आर लिसनिंग टू द चाइल्ड, यू आर क्यूरियस अबाउट द चाइल्ड, यू आर वैलिडेटिंग देयर फीलिंग्स, यू आर सेइंग ओपनली दैट आई सी दैट these days we are fighting a lot, हर चीज में mama and you are fighting, how can we solve it? Your child is 7-year-old, try it. You can always say, I don't want to fight with you, darling, you are so precious to me, tell me how can we both help each other. Your child needs more of your understanding than the homework time you spend, than the time you're taking your child out. You're taking your child out, but if you're not talking to your child, that's not connection time. That's not spending time with your child. Okay? Spending time with your child means that you are 100% fully involved with your child. 100% involved. Let me explain this to you in this way. Your husband takes you out for a nice resort, for a holiday, but पूरा time या वो phone पे है या वो कुछ और करने में busy है, but you have never got a time to sit and relax and chill and talk about things. Is that a connection time, or it's just the same thing somewhere else? So my dear mother, yes, there is a huge change in the house. The change is for you also. That is why maybe you're snapping too easily. जिसलिए आप बोल रहे हो, मैं उसको थोड़ा समझाती हूँ, बट उसके बाद मुझे गुस्सा आता है और मैं चिल्ला देती हूँ. So I'll say one more thing here. You be kind to yourself also. There's a lot of hormone changes. There's a lot of changes for you. एक बच्चे को मैनेज करना और दो बच्चे को मैनेज करना is not the same thing. तीन बच्चे को मैनेज करना is not the same thing. The entire thing shifts. जितने बच्चे आते रहते उतनी ज्यादा सिनेरियोज बढ़ते रहते. So it's not the same. So if you expected when you had the first child कि second child भी ऐसा ही होगा, वो नहीं है. And I don't want to scare you, but as your younger one grows, और वो जैसे जैसे 1 साल का होगा आपका बेबी, 1.5 years का होगा, और पावर स्ट्रगल बढ़ेंगे, बिकॉज अभी still your baby can be handed over to somebody else to take care. Still there is no struggle about toys, still there is no struggle about ego, still there is no struggle about playing and things like that. So I request you to take this next 6 months and build that strong bond with your girl. Talk to her, ask her what is going on, what is it that she doesn't like, how can I help you as a mother, what can I do to make you feel more loved. Validate what she is feeling. Maybe she is feeling that you're not spending time. Don't say that I am spending time. See, usko lag raha hai na you're not spending time. What she is feeling is true. I am telling my husband I don't feel love. My husband is telling me, but I love you. भाई तुम्हारे बोलने से थोड़ी you love me. I have to feel that you love me, right? Maybe my love language is different. Maybe my love language is that you take me out. Maybe my love language is gifts. Maybe my love language is touch. Maybe my love language is spending quality time. Okay? So I humbly request you to do these two things. One, take care of yourself, your emotions as well, because you're still just 6 months into the new pregnancy. Second, new childbirth. Second, take this 6 months to build your bond with your child. Otherwise ये चीज और बढ़ती जाएगी, बढ़ती जाएगी, बढ़ती जाएगी. Your child is anyways in an age group where somebody else is going to be more important to your child. If you do not spend that connection time with your child might go to other people to look for connection. That other people can be grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt, didi, friends, whoever it is. जहां से ह्यूमन को कनेक्शन मिलता है, ह्यूमन वही जाता है. And it's not about children and adults, it's a fact of life. Okay, so I hope I have answered your question. If you have any further questions, Put it in the comments and I will answer it for you. I know you also asked me about the question about uska concentration, but that is too many questions. You are seeing too many negatives in your child suddenly. Stop looking at all the negatives in your child and take a piece of paper and write all the good qualities on your child. When I start seeing negative in someone, my mind always runs into negative. वो थोड़ा सा गलती करेगी and it always comes to ये हमेशा ऐसे करती है तो है ही ऐसी. I start labeling my child. So yeah, I know you've asked me a lot of more questions about her, but I do not want to answer it because I want you to take a pause, take a piece of paper and write all the positive about her and start looking at it from that lens. You have got a beautiful, beautiful daughter. You know, all she needs is a little bit more of your understanding, and all you need, my darling, is little bit more time for yourself. You have to take care of yourself to take care of your kids. And an empty, angry mother cannot give anything to a child. You have to have patience. You have to fill your bucket. You have to have your energy to give it to your child. Okay, so if any one of you also have any questions, put it in the comments below, you know, or you can write to me on my Instagram, my Facebook. There's an email ID I've given, you can write it there as well. Okay, if you want to join my calm parenting masterclass, then the link is also below. Do join in and I will tell you about the 3 secrets about you need to know about being a calm parent. Okay, and till next time, this is me Divya signing off, and I come here every day to help you with one parenting question. अगर आपके पास भी कोई सवाल है तो जरूर डालिएगा, and I'll see you next time. Bye.